ready to give your voice recordings a total makeover. Let's dive into CapCut PC and learn how to change voice pitch, adding a touch of magic to your audio in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you've imported your video and the audio you want to modify is already on the timeline. Click on the video clip containing the audio. Now, head over to the right-hand side of your screen, where you'll find the audio editing panel. Click on the Voice Changer tab. This opens up a menu with various options. Here you will see several voice effects. Select a pre-made voice effect, such as deep, high, or robot, to change your audio automatically. Alternatively, if you want more control, look for the pitch slider. This is what lets you fine-tune the tone of your voice. Drag the slider to the right to increase the pitch, making your voice sound higher and more squeaky. Drag it to the left to decrease the pitch, giving your voice a deeper, more resonant quality. Use the playback button located under the preview window to test out different values until you reach the perfect sound for your project. If you want to take your audio to the next level, click on the Enhance Voice option. This setting will make your audio more clear and professional. And that's it. Once you are happy with the result, hit the Export button. Now go forth and create audio magic.